comes to production efficiency, the first and foremost thing we all think about is the uptime of the machines. Machines are bound to fail, they do fail, and we all know that, right? And it's extremely critical for us to keep the machines up and running all the time. But that's not the only factor which decides the efficiency, which is usually, as you all know, measured in OEE terms. It's a function and factor of your availability, performance, and quality. So you got to keep your machines up and running. You got to keep them running at the highest performance that is possible. If your throughput and your rotation per minute or whatever your line speed is, you want to operate at the highest possible way. And you also want to spend time and energy not producing scrap. You want to be producing the goods that you can ship. So there are different things that can go wrong with respect to this. It's a machine problem, it could be a human factor problem, it could be a simple process issue where somebody is actually walking up a 25-meter line, end of the line, go take a printout, bring the label and put it in here, right? It could be a simple process tweak which you could do to improve the efficiency, or it could be a production planning issue where you have a material shortage, or the time it takes, which some of the production smart scheduling can solve it. So it's a variety of things. It could mean different things to different people, but it's a combination of availability of the uptime of the line, the performance of the line, and the quality. All three have to be taken into consideration in conjunction. The effect of having a poor efficiency here or lower OEE is not only an immediate problem with your throughput, but also the overtime that you're going to be. You have to get extra contractors, the labor involved in it, the lost opportunity and revenue, the penalty of not meeting your timeline, and a variety of things, right? So it's extremely critical and not surprising. 34% of this little survey we did, you're focused on production efficiency, and it's a very well known problem. So we'll get into the details of how we solve it and how AI and IoT can solve this problem.